Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to the channel if you're new. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome to this new video on Fetch. Had to cover it. Has been relatively strong over the course of this morning and just in general as well. Technically, we've turned very bullish here, which is great to see. Like generally, we're now on the daily time frame, right? So we're quite zoomed out. Generally, if you see a structure like this, right, where you have this bearish momentum down here, and then you get that initial bullish breakout and a second bullish breakout, usually we go higher. All right, so in general, I am bullish on Fetch, but I do want to talk about some specifics here as well, some possibilities, like where you could still potentially enter here, and what's smart. But like I said, in general, if you look at a structure like this, right now we found resistance and we got a little bit of a dump, as you can see here, over the last 2-3 hours from this level here at 1.72. I still do expect us to get into that area right here between 1.8, let's say 1.85 and $2. I think that's the next major resistance level, excuse me. And I don't really see any reason why we could not get there. Now, short term, when we're looking at the 4-hour time frame here, we're also bullish, right? So there's nothing you can say against this. This is an uptrend. It's a strong uptrend as well. But I do think, looking at the market here at Bitcoin is still very bullish, but I do expect some sort of a pullback here, and something is going on with Fetch here, which I'm not sure what. But you can see that not only did we get some sort of a sell-off here, but also some short positions being opened. Earlier, when we made these highs right here, so this little movement up here, which also continued over the course of this morning when we saw a lot of AI strength, right here, AI was by far the strongest narrative. Earlier, we also saw some bearish divergences, right? So where the open interest, where the momentum, kind of the interest and the sentiment did not really continue going up, as well as the RSI, where the price did, right? So that's some imbalances, bearish imbalances. So I do think that whole combination of getting a bit of a sell-off here, opening new short positions, those short positions will get punished eventually. But short term, I think it's most likely that we will see some sort of a pullback. Now, if we really zoom out, or really zoom in, excuse me, if we're able to hold this level right here at like 1.62 over the next couple of hours, then I was wrong. And then it's more likely, like especially if that holds into the US opening later today, so probably in about like 4 or 5 hours after you're watching this video, if we're able to hold that level, all right, so 1.62, then I was wrong, and then we can go up to 1.85 instantly. But I would say it's a little bit more likely here that we will see some sort of a pullback into 1.55, into 1.5, and personally, my favorite entry, looking at the daily time frame here, would be some sort of an entry between 1.5 and 1.41. All right, so then you, if you really want my entry, then consider joining the Signal group. There I post all my trades. But when we're talking about it like this, like I would say the real invalidation would be at 1.28. And this is a solid trade, all right? Risk reward could be better. So you could also opt to place the stop loss a little bit lower, towards 1.33. But if you get this, so then you have a risk reward of 2.45. But this is in line with the structure. It's a solid support supported by the 382 FIB, strong daily key level, 200 EMA, multiple EMAs probably by the time we get there, and a psychological support level at 1.5. So I think it's most likely we'll pull back there. The markets are quite strong, so I'm not certain if we'll dump down all the way to 1.45. I do think we'll see some sort of a pullback. Could also be that we just find support at 1.55 and that we go up from there. But ultimately, that's what I expect. The precise support level where we'll drop down to, I'm not sure about yet. But those are my thoughts for now. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.